Hello, my name is Jason Yulee, and this is my shop-vac silencer box that I modeled after design of Thomas Shrunk from Fine Woodworking. Mine's a little bit different than his, but they both accomplish the same thing. What I've created here is actually a baffle board made out of 3/4 inch MDF. The whole carcass is constructed out of that. You're going to need about a sheet and a half to build it how I did. You could make it any size. I made it a little bit larger in case I ever want to get a larger shop-vac to put in there, but this size works just fine for now. All these pieces I cut right here are on a 30-degree angle. When it's inserted into the box, all the air enters into this main chamber, then gets split down this, and then both come around the side. I got 2 ports in the back, which I used a hole saw. I drilled a 2-inch diameter in each, and the air exits through that. This just slides into the bottom like this. There was a hole that was cut right here to allow the power cord to go through. I only wanted 2 holes in the entire case, and that's where the air flows out. The less holes you got in the case, obviously the quieter it's going to be, and I wanted everything to flow through this baffle board. I put this little part on the front here because the hole that I actually drilled in the front to get the cord to be able to pass through was a lot larger than I wanted, and this just allows the ever so much little bit of slot for the cord to go in so I can move it around if I need to. Here's where the hose exits on the machine once it's fully closed, and you just squish the hose together like that, and you can put it back together. When I drilled this, I believe it was a 2 1/4 inch hole saw I used. I set it off just a hair over a 1/4 inch off the front of the case, just because I didn't want it to be weak on that point. So we'll go ahead and put that together, and this is the top. I got a few strips around the side that I used. They're 1 1/4 inch. It doesn't matter really about the size. But these help me align the front when I put it on there. They also serve as a way to stop any air that wants to escape out of the front, kind of act as a buffer. And I got a toe kick down here, which I set the front on just to get everything aligned. And everything just goes right together. We got some clamps. Lock it down just like that on this side. Same exact thing. And let me show you the back. Just these 2 exhaust ports, that's it. And when this thing gets plugged in, it's very quiet.